A crisp, quiet morning, perfect for our feathered friends. Let me see, sunflower seeds, dried berries, and a bit of suet. There we go! Must keep the dining table clean for the guests. The wind is shifting. I should check the boundary post before the mist rolls in. Quite a freeze tonight. The frost is deep this year. Time for a warm cup of tea and some reading. Good night, world. There, much better. The cold can stay on the other side of the wood. Grow, little flame, grow. We have a long night ahead of us. Note, the ice at the boundary is 2 inches thick. Winter has truly taken hold. Ah, chamomile. The perfect end to a busy day. The birds are fed, the fire is low, and the house is still. Good night, little cottage. Good night, winter. A new day has dawned. Let us see what the winter has brought us this time. The frost is even thicker this morning. A beautiful, icy carpet. Ah, there you are. Enjoy your breakfast, my little friends. The ice has grown even more. A true winter fortress is being built here. A bit more spirit in the air today. Time to head back to the warmth. Almost back. The farm looks so inviting in this light. The tea set is waiting. A very pleasant thought indeed. Home! The best place to be when the frost bites. The wilderness is vast, but here, in the glow, the world feels just the right size. Day 32. The frost remains our constant companion. All is well at the farmstead. Until tomorrow, old friends, rest well. Another day of winter's lesson. Heavy snow. The apple tree is wearing a thick white coat today. The birds will be hungry after such a night. I must check my stores. Nature's chandeliers. Remarkable how the water freezes in such perfect lines. A cold start, but the light always finds its way through the gray.
Even the trees are bowing under the weight of winter.
A bit of shoveling will be needed later, I suspect. Magnificent. Nature's classroom never fails to inspire. Notes for the morning are complete. Now for some sustenance.
A cold world, but a warm heart makes all the difference. That wind is getting bold. I must ensure the feeder is secure before the midday freeze.
A bit more spirit than I anticipated. Steady now, steady. We can't have you flying off like a bird yourself.
The mist moves quickly today. I must verify the marker before it vanishes. The cottage, it was just there. Patience, Bunny. Follow the fence.
Found you. Never lose your tether in a winter's haze. Steady steps. The wood knows the way, even if my eyes do not. There it is, like a lighthouse in a sea of clouds. A close lesson today. Winter's fog is as thick as its blankets of snow. There. Back where the frost cannot reach my bones. Note, the mist hides the world, but the path remains for those who know where to touch it. Rest well, little farm. Winter is a quiet teacher, but a wise one.